Welcome to African Heritage Food in the UK. In today's video, we are cooking jollof rice with chicken and meat, one of West Africa's most loved dishes. This recipe uses seasoned protein, roasted tomatoes and peppers, a rich tomato stew, washed parboiled rice, meat stock, and slow steam cooking to create a colorful, flavorful jollof rice. Today, we are preparing one of West Africa's most loved dishes, jollof rice. Jollof rice is more than rice cooked in tomato sauce. It is celebration food. It is family food. It is party food. It is the dish many people remember from weddings, naming ceremonies, Christmas gatherings, Sunday cooking, and community celebrations. Across West Africa, every country and every family has its own way of cooking jollof. Some people use more pepper, some use more tomatoes, some prefer smoky party jollof, and others add chicken, meat, fish, or vegetables. In this video, we are preparing jollof rice with chicken and meat, using the recognized West African cooking method. Season the protein, prepare the tomato and pepper base, fry the stew until rich and thick, add washed parboiled rice, cook slowly with stock, and allow the rice to steam until tender. Step 1. Cook the chicken protein. The first step is to prepare the chicken. Place the chicken in a pot and season it with onions, curry powder, pepper, blended ginger and garlic. Mix everything well so the seasoning covers the chicken properly. Before adding water, allow the chicken to steam first in its own juices. This helps the flavor enter the chicken and makes the stock richer. After steaming, add water and allow the chicken to cook properly. This can take around 60 to 90 minutes, depending on the size and type of chicken used. Keep the chicken stock, because it will be used later to flavor the jollof rice. Step 2. Cook the meat. Next, prepare the meat using a similar method. Add the meat to a pot with onions, curry powder, pepper, blended ginger and garlic. Allow the meat to steam first before adding water. This method builds flavor from the beginning. After steaming, add water and cook until tender. This may take around 20 to 30 minutes, but the time can vary depending on the part of meat used. Some cuts are softer, while others need more time. Keep the meat stock aside. This stock will help give the jollof rice a deeper taste. Step 3. Air fry the chicken and meat. Once the chicken and meat are cooked, the next step is to air fry them. Place the chicken and meat in the air fryer and cook for about 20 minutes. Turn both sides during cooking so they brown evenly. The aim is to get a golden brown color on the outside while keeping the inside moist and full of flavor. This step gives the chicken and meat a better texture and makes the final jollof rice plate more attractive. Step 4. Prepare the fresh tomatoes, peppers, and onions. Now prepare the fresh tomato and pepper base. Wash the tomatoes thoroughly under clean water to remove dirt. Cut them open, scoop out the seeds, and place the tomatoes, peppers, and onions onto a baking tray. Roasting helps reduce excess water and gives the sauce a deeper flavor. Place the tray in the oven and roast at 180 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees fan, gas mark 4, for about 25 to 35 minutes. Step 5. Roast until soft and ready to blend. Once the timer finishes, remove the tray from the oven. The tomatoes, peppers, and onions are ready when their skins are wrinkled, soft, and starting to peel away at the edges. Leave them to cool slightly before blending. This roasted mixture helps give the jollof rice its rich color, natural sweetness, and deep flavor. Step 6. Fry the jollof stew base. Now it is time to build the jollof stew. Heat oil in a pot. Add sliced onions and bay leaves. Then add your spices. In this recipe, mixed spices are used, including oregano, curry, thyme, and black pepper. Fry everything for about 2 to 3 minutes so the flavor comes out in the oil. Next, add tomato puree and allow it to fry properly. Then add the blended tomato, pepper, onion, ginger, and garlic mixture. Stir well and fry for 10 to 20 minutes until the sauce becomes thick and the oil starts to separate. This is one of the most important stages of jollof rice. The sauce must be cooked down properly. If the sauce is still watery or raw, the rice will not have the correct taste, color, or texture. Step 7. Wash the parboiled rice. Now prepare the parboiled rice. Wash the rice several times with clean water until the water runs clear. Because this is parboiled rice, it does not need to be cooked separately before going into the sauce. The aim is to remove excess starch so the rice does not become too sticky. Wash it properly, ideally 7 to 8 times, then allow it to drain. Clean, well-drained rice helps the grains cook separately and absorb the jollof sauce properly. Step 8. Add the rice to the sauce. Add the washed and drained parboiled rice directly into the thick jollof sauce. Stir gently so every grain is coated evenly. At this stage, the color of the sauce begins to enter the rice. Do not rush this step. The rice should be fully mixed with the stew before adding stock. Step 9. Add the reserved meat stock. Now pour in the reserved meat stock. Make sure you strain the stock first to remove any solid bits or residue. Add the stock gradually and stir gently so it mixes evenly with the rice and sauce. The stock gives the rice a rich, savory flavor. Be careful not to add too much liquid. Good jollof rice needs steam more than excess water. Too much water can make the rice too soft or heavy instead of fluffy and well separated. Step 10. Stir, cover and cook slowly. Stir everything gently to combine fully. Then cover the pot tightly and turn the heat down to low. Allow the rice to cook slowly until it becomes tender and all the liquid is absorbed. Check it from time to time, but do not stir too much. Too much stirring can break the grains and make the rice mushy. If more liquid is needed, add only a small amount at a time. Remember, jollof rice does not need too much water. It needs low heat, steam, and patience. Step 11. Coat the fried chicken in sauce. For extra flavor, prepare a small rich sauce for the fried chicken. Blend peppers, onions, garlic, and ginger. Fry the mixture with tomato paste and seasonings. Add a little stock or water and allow it to simmer until thick. Then add the air-fried chicken and stir well so every piece is coated. Let it cook together for about 10 minutes. This gives the chicken a glossy, spicy, and deeply flavored coating that works perfectly with the jollof rice. Now the jollof rice is ready. The rice has absorbed the tomato, pepper, onion, spices, and meat stock. The grains are tender, colorful, and full of flavor. Serve the jollof rice with the coated chicken and meat. You can also serve it with salad, fried plantain, or steamed vegetables, depending on your family tradition. Cultural reflection. For many African families in the UK, jollof rice is more than a recipe. Jollof rice is especially popular within Enfield and the wider UK African diaspora because it is affordable to prepare in large quantities, easy to share at community gatherings, adaptable to different family traditions, and strongly connected with weddings, church events, birthdays, naming ceremonies, festivals, and everyday memories of home. It carries memory, identity, and belonging. It reminds people of home, family gatherings, weddings, birthdays, and community celebrations. In Enfield and across the UK, cooking dishes like jollof rice helps younger generations learn about African food heritage through real practice, not only through stories. Food teaches history. Food brings people together. Food helps communities keep their culture alive. Thank you for watching this African heritage food recipe. If you enjoyed this jollof rice preparation, please like the video, share it with family and friends, and subscribe for more African heritage food recipes prepared here in the UK. Tell us in the comments, how do you cook your jollof rice, and which country's jollof did you grow up eating? See you in the next video.